What's up, crypto crew? So yesterday, the entire market collapsed in what people are calling Black Monday, with circuit breakers triggered across Asian exchanges and billions in liquidations. But today, markets are showing signs of life. Bitcoin's bouncing back. And would you believe that Fartcoin is up 28%? Oh, and did I mention a fake news headline caused Bitcoin to pump and dump by thousands of dollars in minutes? This might be the craziest market update we've ever done. What's going on, everyone? I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, bringing you this urgent crypto pulse update. If you're just tuning in, you picked the perfect time because the crypto market is absolutely wild right now. Before we dive in, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for daily crypto intelligence that could save your portfolio. Now let's break down everything that's happened in the last 24 hours and what it means for your investments. Let's start with the big picture. The total crypto market cap has recovered $90 billion from yesterday's low point, though we're not out of the woods yet. Looking at the top assets, Bitcoin is holding at $78,777, down slightly by 0.41%, Ethereum at $1,536, still down 2.14%, XRP, showing some strength at $1.91, up 0.68%, and Solana at $108.31, up 0.80%. But when we look at sector performance, it's still pretty red across the board. L1, chains down 12.79%, DeFi taking a massive 14.89% hit, and data protocols down 15.32%. The market sentiment index is at 33.57, firmly in fear territory. And social media is obsessed with terms like tariff, crash, and recession. Overall, we're seeing Bitcoin dominance at 43.8%, which tells me that during times of high fear, investors are fleeing to what they see as the safest crypto asset. Now, for the craziest part of this entire situation, yesterday, a completely fake report claiming the U.S. would pause tariffs for 90 days sent Bitcoin soaring to $80,800. But then, the White House officially denied the story. Crypto journalists are calling this the Cointelegraph moment for traditional finance, referring to how crypto markets sometimes react to unverified headlines. This false report triggered billions in liquidations going both directions within hours. This is a perfect example of why you need to be extremely careful in these volatile markets. A single headline, real or fake, can wipe out your position in minutes. Some traders made a killing, others got absolutely wrecked, all based on information that wasn't even true. This is the kind of market we're in right now, folks. Now, here's something that will blow your mind. While blue-chip cryptos were struggling to recover, guess what asset surged 28% to 59 cents? Fartcoin. Yes, you heard that right. This meme coin reached a market cap of $566 million on strong volume of $247 million. This completely defies logic and market trends. This is what I find absolutely fascinating about crypto markets. Even during periods of extreme fear and volatility, certain assets can completely disconnect from broader trends. Fartcoin isn't alone. Hyperliquid, HYPE, jumped 9.3% to $11.73 as well, showing that some traders are actively hunting for gains even during market turbulence. This raises an interesting question. Are meme coins becoming the new safe haven during traditional market uncertainty? Or is this just irrational exuberance before another leg down? Tweet me your thoughts on this. Not all the news is about market chaos. We've got some major developments happening behind the scenes. Ripple just acquired prime broker Hidden Road for $1.25 billion. This is huge because it makes Ripple the first crypto company to own a global prime broker. They're planning to integrate XRP Ledger for post-trade activities, which could significantly boost institutional adoption of XRP. We've also got Galaxy Digital receiving SEC approval for its NASDAQ listing. They're moving headquarters to Delaware, which signals an improving institutional environment despite all this market chaos. On a more somber note, Ethereum is still dealing with the aftermath of a catastrophic liquidation that triggered yesterday's sell-off. A single whale lost 67,570 ETH. That's $106 million. And there's another whale with 57,000 ETH at risk of liquidation if prices drop below $1,495. So what should we be watching over the next few days? First, tomorrow, April 9th, is absolutely critical. That's when Trump's tariff implementation deadline hits. He's threatening an additional 50% tariffs on China if they don't withdraw their retaliatory measures. This could send markets into another tailspin. We also need to watch Bitcoin's ability to hold above $76,500 support. That's going to be crucial for broader market confidence. For Ethereum holders, keep a close eye on that $1,495 level. If we break below that, we could see another liquidation cascade toward $1,300. And most importantly, watch for any emergency action from the Fed. They just had a closed-door meeting, and there's speculation they might step in if markets deteriorate further. So there you have it. Markets rebounding from Black Monday chaos, fake headlines causing massive volatility, Fartcoin defying gravity, and major acquisitions happening despite all the uncertainty. If you found this update valuable, please smash that like button and subscribe for daily crypto pulse updates. We're tracking these developments 24/7, so you don't have to. Remember, in times of extreme volatility, having accurate information is your best defense. Stay cautious, manage your risk, and don't make emotional decisions based on headlines, especially ones that might turn out to be fake. This is Alex from Moonward Capital signing off. Stay ahead of the crowd, and I'll see you in the next update.